while we're discussing IT, we'll discuss another I, very important for the market, which is the primary market and the IPO market. Talk to us, what's the latest that's buzzing in that space?
So Krishna, even though the IT sector is not buzzing, IPO segment is definitely buzzing after a lull period of about 6 months from January to June, where we saw just 5 listings. There have been several listings in a span of 3 months, and even today 4 companies came out with their IPOs, including Crop Life Sciences, Pyramid Technoplast, Balaji Specialty Chemicals. And also what we are seeing is that several companies that are coming out with their IPOs are listing with heavy gains. So Concord Biotech, which opened today, now despite weak sentiment, it opened at a premium of about 21%. The stock surged as much as 33% and finally settled about 27% higher.
On the day of listing. Wow.
On the day of listing.
Those who got that lot are definitely happy today.
And this is on the back of SBFC Finance, which listed earlier the week. It gained about 66% on debut day.
Incredible. Amit, quick check from you. Great time for IPOs and listing at this point in time?
Despite the markets being in the red.
Yeah, despite bearish sentiment prevailing.
Yeah, I think, given that there is a lot of liquidity coming into the markets in the mid and small cap space. So we have seen, if you see the anchor investors which are coming, most of them are either mutual funds or insurance companies or PMSs and AIFs. We already now have a 50,000 crore SIP book also. So a lot of the companies which are listed, these are sort of overvalued at this point of time. And that is giving the fund managers an opportunity through these IPOs to actually invest in some different names which are new to the markets. The listing gains have been good. But my experience is, if the market really turns around, then, these listings will not have the same impact. We have already seen it 2 years ago in 2021, where a lot of companies, especially the new age businesses, wanted to come for IPO. But once the market, turned around, then many of them, postponed their plans. So my sense is that till the liquidity is good, till the market is good, the listings will continue to attract
coming back to the markets.
Yeah.
The volatility is coming back to the markets. So now that we are seeing the primary markets just starting to pick up, can we expect volatility to impede that pipeline of companies coming out with their IPOs? If the volatility persists.
Yes, it can happen. In 2021 also we saw when the liquidity returned and the Nasdaq really went down, all the tech IPOs or the new age businesses IPOs, they got postponed. So we can have a similar situation. It really depends on how the global markets turn up, because eventually you need good liquidity to come into the IPOs to invest into the market. If the market sentiment is not good, then I don't see IPOs getting listed so often.
Absolutely, especially Indian markets, where so much of it comes from FPIs and FIIs in the Indian market. Global sentiment will play a crucial role. Thank you, Amit, for joining us on this evening's edition of Business Plus.